This looks like a beautiful tray of just simple cuttings, but guess what? There's a little road map, almost a treasure map on each one of these trays. I've got Jeff back with me today, and he's with Proven Winners. Jeff, tell me all about this great little road map right here.
Yeah, so every one of our trays are labeled, and we get a lot of information out of this. This is part of our quality control. Everything is uniquely barcoded, and we're able to track that location. We've also got a 2D barcode, 1D barcode. The 2D barcode allows us to track the actual cuttings all the way back to the original stock source, because if we have any issues or if there's any issues with the stock, we're able to track that all the way to the customer. We want to be able to keep the quality throughout, and we don't want to have any issues. So that allows us to track it all the way through the processes.
And these color bars?
Yeah, the color bars, what they are, they're for us kind of internally to help us with the sanitation level. Different plants have different, what we call sanitation levels. And when it has a red strip like this here, that tells us that is the highest sanitation protocols. And we've got scientific ways in which we do our sanitation. And we even use some very simple products that you might not expect.
Wow, okay, show me. Jeff, do I see some milk in this tray?
Yes, we actually use milk to help us with sanitation of the grippers of the machine. There's specific properties in milk that actually sanitize against specific plant diseases.
Milk, now who figured that out?
Dennis, our lead grower, this was something that he was aware of that I guess is a great disinfectant for certain diseases that affect plants.
Wow, something simple like just milk. Now would it be 2% or whole?